Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. The outlines of the last lesson are different solutes differ in solubility in different solvents. Dissolving means to dissolve the solute in a given solvent. When a given solute or solid is soluble in water, we use the term aqueous. Filtration is done to remove insoluble solid or residue from a solution. Evaporation is done through gentle heating. The reappearance of a solid particles from a solution in the form of crystals is called crystallization. And the learning outcomes for this lesson would be describe and explain methods of separation and purification using simple distillation. First of all, we'll talk about simple distillation. What is simple distillation? The theory of simple distillation is to separate a pure liquid from a solution. It's used to separate, it is used to separate pure liquid from a solution. On right hand side, you see the whole apparatus for simple distillation. This is the apparatus for simple distillation. Let's label it. This is the thermometer. On top, you see thermometer. Flask. This is distillation flask. Distillation flask. Flask is placed on wire gauze. This is wire gauze. And there's a heat source. It's usually Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner. Inside the flask, there's a solution like seawater. This is seawater. And there you see some pebbles. This is actually anti-bumping agents. The distillation flask is connected or fitted with the Lee-Bike condenser. This is condenser. You will write condenser. This will be easier for you to remember condenser. Instead of writing Lee-Bike condenser, you can write condenser. Condenser is a jacket of cold water with water entering from the bottom of the jacket. Water is entering from here. Water inlet. We call it water inlet. Water is leaving from this point, water outlet. Water outlet. It circulate through the top, from here till top. Now flask is placed to collect the liquid coming out of the condenser. This is a flask. It's used to collect the liquid coming out of the simple distillation. Now let's talk about the process of simple distillation. First, the solution inside the flask is heated or boiled. Solution is heated or boiled. Anti-bumpers are added to have smooth boiling or to avoid the violent reaction inside the flask. Vapor reaches the condenser, which helps in the condensation. Then we have condensation of vapors, condensation of vapors. The condenser helps in the condensation of vapors. The condensed vapors, which are now called distillate, are collected in the flask just below the condenser. Distillate is collected in the flask. Now what you have to do, just simply remember this order. These are the order of the processes happening. Order of the processes happening during simple distillation. First one, we have heating. Second, you have evaporation. Then you have cooling, condensing. Or condensation, you can write. In summary, simple distillation is used to separate a pure liquid from a solution. Application of simple distillation is desalination. Desalination is removal of salt from water. Thanks for watching and take care. Please like, give comments and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.